Hi, I'm Mike Ahles. I'm Catholic United Financial's Senior Vice President and Secretary Treasurer. In June, I will become Catholic United's 10th President, CEO, and Chair of the Board. I've spent 30 years, almost, in the insurance business, working for some very, very large organizations. In working with them, I see the impact that our products and services can have as an industry on our members. But more importantly, of those 30 years, I've spent the last 13 working for fraternal insurance societies. And I see that close connection that we have with our members, not just in terms of providing those protection benefits, but also empowering them to be able to do wonderful things within our community. What I bring to Catholic United is passion for our industry, as well as a commitment to our people, our members, as well as our employees, and a strong Midwestern Catholic work ethic that I learned from my father and my grandfather. In terms of long-term challenges for Catholic United, I see investing, given the low interest rate environment, as an immediate challenge, but I think will continue to be a long-term challenge for us. The bets that we make and the commitments that we make to our membership are decades in the future. And so we have to have an investing strategy, a conservative one, that can allow us to be able to fulfill those needs by having assets available to us when we need to pay those benefits to our membership. One of the biggest things that we have as a challenge is the low interest rate environment. It's been with us for certainly more than a decade. And it compresses the spread that we have as an organization that can inhibit the way in which we not only invest for future processes, technologies, and products that we'd like to be able to offer to our existing members as well as new members, but it also can inhibit the way in which we invest in our fraternal model, the things that we do as a society within our Catholic community as well as the community as a whole. This is a challenge that I think we faced before, and it certainly isn't new to us. The recent impact of the COVID-19 virus and what that's done to our business model is certainly of concern as well. We spent a fair amount of time in 2019 building a new strategic plan, and I look forward to being able to build on that strategic plan to come up with tactics, goals, objectives, and resources that will allow us to be able to achieve the next level of success for our association. Catholic United Financial is always going to be stronger with more membership. So growing our membership is always going to be our number one goal. And while it's not necessarily number two, growing financially stronger is the support that allows us to be able to grow our membership in new and different ways. We want to be strong financially as an organization, not just for our existing members, but for the members that we're looking to attract as well. And what gets me excited is bringing new people to our organization as well. Invigorating our organization with talent from people that are new to our organization and new to the mission and vision that we have here. They create our future based on the vision that we see together. It's their passion to serve members and to recruit new members that have been the basis of everything successful that the organization has done over many, many years. And it's that passion and energy that's ultimately going to create the new future that we see together. People haven't been at Catholic United Financial for a couple or 2 or 3 years. They've been here for decades. And it's that continuity and it's that commitment that you see is really the foundation of what's great about an organization. I'm really excited about the business prospects that we have as a result of this Conventus Now joint venture that we've been working on with a fellow Catholic fraternal, Catholic Financial Life of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The building of the tools and the new products that will come from that will allow us to be able to build our organization in ways, and cost efficiently I might add, in ways that we haven't been able to do so previously. Conventus Now was a joint venture that really got formed because of challenges that two fellow Catholic fraternal societies saw for each other. And technology continued to be one of those things that was an inhibitor for some of the great things that we wanted to do, whether that be building new products for our existing members or new members, or processes that could be created efficiently. And what better way to be able to build out the technology platform for your organization than to have two organizations contribute half and get the full benefit of the whole. And so that was the idea behind Conventus. It really gives us the ability as a smaller fraternal benefit society to kind of, so to speak, punch above our weight class in terms of fighting with some of the larger organizations to be able to provide products and services that our members crave and ultimately deserve as a member of our organization. Conventus is really going to be a game changer for us as an organization. Really excited about the future that we'll build as a result of that groundbreaking effort. Scale is very, very important in today's day and age. You need to have systems and processes that can attract large numbers of people, but can serve large numbers of people as well, in a way in which we haven't historically served them in the past. We've had a very face-to-face model. And I like the face-to-face side of our business, but people crave transactional efficiency in ways unlike any other time before us. And so the future of the fraternal model, I think, is you're going to see different organizations that are going to look to come together to be able to be stronger collectively. They'll still want to maintain their separate identity, their separate histories, the legacy that they have with the many members that they've had. But at the same time, I think they're going to come together in new and innovative ways, such as a partnership, such as a joint venture like what we're doing with Conventus now, to be able to be stronger without necessarily losing their very, very valuable fraternal identity. One thing that I was always a little insulated from were the members or the policyholders of the organizations that I worked for previously. You're not insulated from any membership here at Catholic United. You get to know them, you interact with them at a church, you interact with them at a picnic, you interact with them over plentiful amounts of food, and you really get to know who they are. And you really want to know who they are so that you can ensure that you're helping to protect not just them, but you're helping to protect their families. And it's that close connection that inspired me from the beginning. In the middle of June 2020, I will become the new president, CEO, and chair of the board of Catholic United.